In this question, you have to identify the event that never occurs during mitotic cell division. Option A, movement of centrioles towards opposite poles. It is incorrect, as these occurs during mitosis, as centrioles help in organizing the spindle fibers and moving to opposite poles. Option B, pairing of homologous chromosomes. Now, this does not occur during mitosis. Pairing of homologous chromosome is a feature of prophase 1 of meiosis. Option, hence, it is the correct answer. Option C, coiling and condensation of the chromatids. It is incorrect. This happens during mitosis as chromosomes condense and they are readily visible under microscope. Option D, spindle fibers attach to kinetochores of chromosomes. It is also incorrect, as these occurs during mitosis when spindle fibers attach to the kinetochores of chromosomes to ensure proper segregation during cell division.